Getting a haircut in another language can be scary. The right words make sure you leave happy. Sarah, last time I got a haircut abroad, they cut it way too short.
Oh no. You needed the right phrases, William.
Exactly. Let's teach everyone how to avoid that. In this lesson, William gets a haircut and clearly explains what he wants. Listen carefully. I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the hairstylist. Hi there. What can I do for you today?
I'd like a haircut, please. Just a trim.
Sure. How much would you like me to take off?
Just a little off the top, and trim the sides.
Would you like me to use scissors or clippers on the sides?
Scissors, please. Not too short.
Got it. And how about the back?
Keep the length in the back, please.
No problem. Would you like a wash first?
Yes, that would be lovely. Let's break down the vocabulary. A trim is a small haircut that keeps most of the length. To take off means to cut away. A little off the top means cut a small amount on top. Scissors and clippers are the two main tools. And keep the length means don't cut it shorter. These phrases give you control over your haircut.
How does that look so far?
Could you take a bit more off the sides?
Of course. Like this?
Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted.
Would you like some product in your hair?
Just a little, please. Nothing too heavy.
All done. What do you think?
It looks great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can pay at the front desk.
Do you take cards? Let's practice. Repeat after William. First, I'd like a haircut, please. Just a trim. I'd like a haircut, please. Just a trim. Now, just a little off the top. Just a little off the top. Try. Could you take a bit more off the sides? Could you take a bit more off the sides? And, keep the length in the back, please. Keep the length in the back, please.
Well done. Now you can describe any haircut you want.
Today we learned how to get exactly the haircut you want. The key was describing how much to take off and where.
And don't forget, if you want more cut, just say, could you take a bit more off?
Enjoying these real-life English lessons? Please subscribe and turn on notifications.
Like the video and comment. How often do you get a haircut?
Thanks for practicing with us today. Keep it up, and we'll see you next time.